Welcome to Wildcat Stats, Bigfoot in Alaska. Be sure to stay to the end of the video to find out which Alaskan borough has had the most Bigfoot sightings. On January 3rd of 1959, Alaska became the 49th state in the Union with the capital of Juneau. Its motto is North to the Future, but it's also been referred to as the Land of the Midnight Sun. The state mammal is the moose. The state mineral is gold. And the state gemstone is jade. It is also the home of the Alaskan king salmon. It's also known for its rugged terrain, accessible only by snowmobile, and its sled dogs. And let's not forget the grizzly bear. Yeah, he looks hungry. And of course, the fossils of woolly mammoths, and most famously for the northern lights, also known as aurora borealis. The state has many unique sightings, including the bowhead whale. But something else lurks deep in the woods of this northern state. It's the mysterious and elusive Bigfoot. There have been sightings in many different areas, in particular the deep woods of the following boroughs. Would you like to know which of the Alaskan boroughs has had the most Bigfoot sightings ever? Well, let's turn to our mascot at Wildcat Stats, Mauricio! Mauricio, please tell our viewing audience which of the boroughs has had the most Bigfoot sightings. Oh, wait a minute. Our audience doesn't speak kitty cat. Why don't you show them instead? From what, 1960 forward? Let's do it! And the Alaskan borough with the most Bigfoot sightings ever is Fairbanks, Alaska. Sightings from highways late at night to fishermen and hunters, even military personnel. It is the hotspot of Alaska. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, we sure would appreciate a like. If you would like to see the Bigfoot stats for your state, click on the subscribe button below and be sure to hit that bell notification. Think you know everything about Bigfoot? Check out our article below in the description on 13 famous and little known Bigfoot sightings in Alaska, and we'll see you next time.